I told you to revise multiplication tables. Huh? Have you all revised?
Yes.
Tables.
Yes.
4, 5, and 6. Huh?
Yes.
So now I'm going to ask you questions. Okay. So everybody close your all the books.
I class.
Arrow, morning itself yawning. Huh? Feeling sleepy? Okay. Now I am going to mute you all. And first, Anna Rose. Unmute. 2 fours are.
2 4s are 8.
Very good. Dear children, 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. Okay. Now, Anai, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
6 fives are 6 fives are
60.
6 fives are 6 fives are. Okay, yes, Devananda, unmute and unmute.
30.
Yes, very good. Anai, you have to write and study 10 times. 6 fives are 30.
30.
6 fives are
30.
30. 6 fives are
30.
everybody repeat. 6 fives are
30.
30. Okay. Now I want Partha Sarathi. 7 6 are 7 6 are
42.
42. 7 6 are
42.
42. 7 6 are
42.
6 sevens are 6 sevens are same 42. 7 6 are 42. 6 sevens are 40. That is order property. Okay. Now next question. Agna, please unmute. 8 fours are 8 fours are. Who knows the answer? Please raise your hands. Hanna, please unmute. Yes. Agna, listen. 32. 8 fours are
32.
32. 8 fours are
32.
32. So again, we can revise that multiplications. 2 fours are
8.
8. 2 fours are
8.
6 fives are 30. 6 fives are
30.
30. 7 6 are
42.
42. 7 6 are 42. 8 fours are 32.
32.
8 fours are
32.
32. 8 fours are 32. 3 2. Okay. Now one more question. To whom? Yes, Advait. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
6 are
36.
yes, very good. 6 are
36.
36. 6 are
36.
36. Now, Abhinav, please unmute.
Ma'am.
5 fives are
35. 25. 25.
Others, please don't say answer. 5 fives are
25.
25. 5 fives are
25.
25. 5 fives are
25.
25. Now, everybody open your notebook. Everybody open your notebook. I will give you a few questions from the multiplication tables. You have to fill it. Okay? Any doubt? You have to copy down to your maths notebook and you have to write answer. Okay? Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You the eating?
Yes.
Fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, we can only see half word.
Okay. Wait. Fill in the blanks. Every day table test will be there. You have to prepare for that. A, 5 into 4 equal to dash. B, 9 into 2 equal to dash. C, 3 into 6 equal to dash. D, 4 into 4 equal to dash.
Only this much?
Only this much.
Ma'am,
Sorry?
Ma'am, in notebook?
Yes, dear, in the notebook. Copy down fast. Shabari, please unmute. Shabari, please unmute. Shabari, can you hear me? He turned off the video also. What happened? Any network issue is there, Shabari? Please unmute. Now try to unmute.
I unmute.
Okay. 5 fours are how much?
4.
5 fours are 5 into 4. How much? What is the answer? Do you know?
4.
5 fours are. Wait. We can ask to somebody else. Muhammad Hassan, please unmute. Yes. Unmute. 5 fours are.
5 4s are 20.
Very good. Very good, Muhammad Hassan. 5 fours are 20. Those who got wrong answer, you have to write and study after the class. 5 fours are 20. Now, very good. Sri Badra, please unmute. Sri Badra, please unmute. Sri Badra fast. Unmute. Okay. 9 twos are. How much? 9 twos are? 9 twos are. Mm. Fast, fast. Do you know answer?
No.
No. Wait. Reika, unmute. 9 twos are.
18.
18. Very good. 9 twos are 18. Those who got wrong answer, you have to write and study. 9 twos are 18.
18.
Okay. Now, Diya, please unmute. Diya? Yes. Diya, 3 6 are? 3 6 are? 3 6 are. Okay, Diya, wait. I'll ask to somebody else. Lizel. Please unmute. Lizel. 3 6 are?
18.
Yes, very good. 3 6 are 18. Diya, have you understood now?
Yes.
3 6 are how much?
18.
18. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Okay. Now, next question to Hanna got chance already. Naila, please unmute. Naila. Yes. 4 fours are? 4 fours are?
8.
Not 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. But 4 fours are 4 into 4. 4 into 4?
6.
Sorry? Wait. I'll ask to Sri Parvati. Sri Parvati, unmute. 4 fours are?
16.
Very good. 4 fours are? 16. 4 fours are? 16. Okay. Now, those who got wrong answer, you have to write it 10 times each one. Okay.
Emma is no wrong.
Sorry? 5 fours are 20. 9 twos are 18. 3 6 are 18. 4 fours are 16. Keep in mind. Now we are going to do few questions. Okay. Everybody close your books now. Everybody close your books now. Everybody close your books now. Now, last day we have done 2 digit into 1 digit multiplication. That we can revise once again without regrouping. Today we can revise that and we can do 3 digit into 1 digit. For example, 42 into 2. How we will multiply 42 into 2? What we have to do first? We have to write. What do you have to do, dear children, first?
We want to write
You want to write?
tens
Tens ones.
1.
42 into 2.
2.
Yes. Then, which numbers we have to multiply first?
2 into 2.
Yes. 2 ones we have to multiply first. 2 twos are 4. That you should write in the ones place. Then what we have to multiply?
4 into 2.
2 fours are. 2 fours are?
8.
So the answer is that you should write in the tens place. 84. I think you all know 2 digit into 1 digit without regrouping. Now we are going to do. Now we will do 3 digit into 1 digit without regrouping. No regrouping is there. For example, 101 into 8. Here, No need to copy down anything. No need to copy down anything. Fold your hands and sit straight. Here you can see 3 digits are there in the number. So which all place values we have to write? Place value. 100 101 into, sorry, into 8. So here also we have to multiply the ones first. So which all digits we have to multiply first? 1 into 8. 1/8 is how much? 1/8 is 8. That you should write in the ones place. Then which digits we have to multiply?
8 into 1.
Sorry?
8
Tens place.
8 into 0.
8 into 0. 8 into 0, how much we will get?
0.
Oh.
8.
Oh,
0.
8 into 0, how much? 0 itself. Okay. Not 8. 8 into 0 is 0 itself. Whenever, whatever may be the number, if we multiply by 0, you will get 0 itself. Okay. Then
Okay,
which digits we have to multiply?
1 and 8.
1 and 8. 100 place digits. 1 into 8, how much you will get?
8.
1 into 8, 8. So what is the answer? 808. Okay. Now one more question I will show you. 212 into 4. Now I am going to mute you all because otherwise. Wait. Okay. 212 into 4. Here also we have to write the place value HTO. 212 into 4. Now I want Karthikeya, please unmute. Karthikeya, unmute fast. Karthikeya.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, which all digits we have to multiply first?
1.
Ones. So, what all digits? Ones means? Here ones place, which all digits are there?
2 and 4.
Yes, 2 into 4. 2 fours are how much? 2 fours are?
4. 80.
8. 2 fours are? 8. Very good. Then what we have to multiply?
10.
Then what we have to multiply? Tens.
1 4.
1 into
4.
4. So 1 4 is
4.
4. That we have to write in the tens place. Then next what you have to multiply?
2 into
2 into
4.
4. Only Karthikeya want to say answer. 2 into 4. 2 fours are again what you will get? 2 fours are 8. Everybody. Okay. That we should write in the 100 place. So the answer is 848. Now I'll give you one more question. After that, I will give you a few questions to write. One more question. 323 into 3. I need, yes. Gauri, please unmute. Please unmute, Gauri. Yes.
ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
First we have written HTO 323 into 3. Okay. Now, which all digits we have to multiply first?
Once.
Ones. So, which all the digits?
3 into
3 into 3 into Gauri.
3.
3 into 3. Yes. 3 into 3, how much you will get? 3 threes are? 3 threes are? 3 threes are? Dear children, 3 threes are? Who knows the answer? 3 threes are?
9.
Yes. 9. 3 10. Yes, 3 threes are 9. Okay. Then next we want to multiply. Next we want to multiply which all digits? Where is our Gauri? Gauri, please unmute.
Yes,
Next we
ma'am.
have to multiply which all digits, dear?
2 into 3.
Yes, 2 into 3. We have to multiply 2 into 3. 2 threes are how much we will get? 2 threes are? Study multiplication table. Okay. 2
Six.
threes are? 6. 2 threes are?
6.
6. Then which all digit we have to, that you should write in the tens place. Okay. Then next we have to multiply
3.
uh,
3. 3.
yes, 3 into 3. 3 into 3, how much we will get? 3 threes are?
9.
9. Yes.
9.
The answer is? Will you read the number?
969.
900
969.
969. Good. Now everybody open your maths notebook. You have to do 2 questions. And today homework will be there. You should do homework and revise the multiplication tables for the next class. Okay. So everybody open your book. Write the heading. Multiply. Only that much you have to write. Multiply. Here we are going to multiply 3-digit numbers without regrouping. And write the question. What is this? Remember? No, no, no. Oh. No, 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 no. In between, simply it came like this. Ayyo. Wait. No, it is showing like user does not have it with permission. Dear children, please wait. Can you see the screen, dear children?
No.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. Give the heading multiply and write 2 questions. A. $111 into 5 and B. 414 into 2. $111 into 5, 414 into 2.
Ma'am, first one question.
111 into 5, 111 into 5. Dear children, can't you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Who all can't see the screen?
I can see this. Ma'am, I can see.
Okay, I will write little more bigger if you want. 111 into 5 B 414 into 2.
42 അല്ലേ
414 into 2.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, wait. Those who finish, please wait. Let others wait. Okay. I hope you all have completed very easy. So you all have completed. Now, Andrea, please unmute. Yes. We can do first question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. First we have to write HTO 111 into 5.
Ma'am,
Yes. From where
What?
we have to start?
from the ones place.
Okay. So which all digits we have to multiply first?
1 into 5.
1 into 5?
5.
5. After that,
In
next
the
we have to
tens
multiply
Tens place.
tens place. So,
1 into 5.
yes.
To 5.
1 into 5? 5. Okay. Then, next,
100.
100 place. Yes.
1 into equal to 5.
1 into 5 is equal to 5. So the answer is
555.
very good. 555. Okay. Now, next question. Andrea, you can mute your audio now.
Okay, ma'am.
414 into 414 into 2. HT O. Now HTO. Okay. Now Siddharth, please unmute. Siddharth, please unmute first. Wait, dear. Wait, Siddharth. Ah. Siddharth, unmute. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Now, how we will do this?
2 into
Ah.
4 into
2 fours are how much? 2 fours are how much, dear?
2 fours are 8.
8.
Ma'am, 8.
Then, next we have to multiply.
1 twos.
Wow. 1 into 2. 1 into 2, how much?
2.
2. That you should write in the tens place. Then, next we have to multiply.
4 into 2.
4 into 2.
8.
4 into 2, how much you will get?
8.
8.
Ma'am, time is up.
I know, dear. So the answer is 828.
828.
Dear children, have you all got correct answer?
Yes.
Very good. You got
Ma'am, time is up. Yes,
and
ma'am.
I will give you few homeworks that you have to do. Okay. So study multiplication table for the next class. Revise the multiplication table. Thank you, my dear children. Bye.
7, 8. Bye. Bye.